A man was reportedly killed and several sustained injuries when clashes broke out between two groups over long-standing land dispute in Ukhrul district today. The tension escalated due to land dispute between Hunfun and Hungfung villages. According to official sources, the situation intensified when Hunfun village authority raised objections to a social work event organized by the Tangkhul Hunfun Youth and Students Organization in the Hunfun area. In response to the heightened tensions, Subdivisional Magistrate Dingringram Kamai invoked emergency powers under Section 163 of BSNSS 2023. The magistrate issued an order restricting movement in the affected areas starting from 9:30 a.m. on October 2nd, 2024 until further notice. The order aims to prevent any actions or activities that could exacerbate the situation and threaten public safety, peace and property.
Order